What's up, everybody? I figured I'd give you guys a quick update since I figured out how to film all this stuff with my S10 and upload it actually to YouTube, so you guys actually can see what's going on, because I haven't been uploading any videos for the past week, but that's been because I'm busy and I wanted to show you guys how busy I really am. So I'm working on a stop motion at this point for my computer. This is a $5,000 computer that I finally was able to put together, and there is a beautiful setup coming to you guys in the form of a stop motion video on how the computer is going to assemble itself, and that's what I'm working on currently. Besides that guys, the next thing on the list that we have is I actually got myself one of these. It's the GOAT 2 action camera. So I just got the mounts from Original Dobo that he sent me right here, which is the backpack mount for the battery. The one that goes in the back like this, where I'm going to be able to mount the GOAT 2 on top of this. He has this neat little to tighten this up, and of course he sent some batteries with it. I mean, some screws with it. So I'm going to be using that. Plus, I'm working currently on the DJI FPV Acon propeller adapter video. So that thing is awesome. If you haven't gotten the Acon freaking propeller adapters and picked up some propellers and stuff, I highly recommend to do that for your DJI FPV. Definitely do that. Besides that, I'm currently working with, and I got me one of these. This, friends, is the Laowa 24mm probe lens. This thing is awesome. It's so cool. You see how long it is? So I'm working currently on a video with that as well. I'm working on a video with it, and I'm working on a video about the Laowa 24mm. And I got myself one of those follow focus rings assemblies from SmallRig. They're like $80 right now on Amazon. So I picked that up, and I didn't know what follow focus was until I got this kit, and it's like super easy to install. So I'm working currently on a review on that as well right here, which is the follow focus setup from SmallRig. So yeah, that's pretty much what we're looking at. Plus, I'm almost done editing the hyperlapse video for the Autel Evo 2, which I actually only have to, I think I have to finish the end of it, and then I have to just color grade it. What means not color grade it? I don't color grade. We just have to, I just have to put it together. Like I edited like 3/4 of it already, and then I got stuck with all this. Like, you know how it is when you're a man, you have so many projects, and then you all of a sudden you do all this stuff, and you want to do everything at the same time. That's where I'm at right now. But I'm attempting to upload it for my members on Monday night, and then Tuesday night it will go public. And until then, stay tuned, guys. Thanks for checking in on the short report. Aloha.